Home remedies for acne. Gentle do-it-yourself skincare tips. Discover safe science-backed home remedies for acne using gentle ingredients like honey, almond, and flour. These do-it-yourself tips are designed to support clear skin without harsh chemicals. Always consult a dermatologist for persistent or severe acne. This article is for informational purposes only and does not offer or medical advice. Gentle Honey Oatmeal Facial Mask. A soothing face mask using everyday ingredients may help cleanse and moisturize the skin. Here's how to prepare it. 1 part honey, 1 part dry oatmeal, 1 egg white. Instructions. Mix the ingredients to form a paste. Adjust the consistency by adding more honey or oatmeal as needed. Gently apply the mixture to clean skin. Leave it on for about 10 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Pat your skin dry with a clean towel. This may be used occasionally as part of your skincare routine. Almond and milk paste for exfoliation. Almonds, when ground into a fine powder, can offer mild exfoliation. This mixture is intended to be gentle on the skin. 2 tablespoons shelled almonds, blended into powder. 2 teaspoons milk, 1/2 teaspoon flour, 1/2 teaspoon honey. Suggestions. Mix all ingredients into a paste, adjusting the thickness with more flour or milk as desired. Apply to clean skin, allow it to sit for a few minutes, then rinse with warm water. Alternatively, ground almonds alone can be used as a mild exfoliant. Use this remedy sparingly to avoid overexfoliation. Lime and milk cleansing solution. This natural blend may help refresh your skin, especially when dryness is a concern. Juice of 1 fresh lime, 1 cup whole milk, 1 teaspoon glycerin, which is optional for dry skin. Suggestions. Gently heat the milk until just boiling, then add lime juice. Let it cool completely before applying a small amount to your face using a clean cotton pad. If you have dry skin, adding a teaspoon of glycerin can increase hydration. Try this occasionally and discontinue if irritation occurs. Yogurt and honey moisture mask for maintenance. This remedy may help maintain the skin's moisture and overall balance. 1 tablespoon plain yogurt, 2 teaspoons honey, 1/2 teaspoon milk. Instructions. Combine the ingredients into a smooth mixture. Apply it to the face and leave it on for a few minutes before rinsing with water. This can be part of a regular routine to help support skin hydration. Note: natural remedies can be helpful for some people, but not all skin types react the same. Always do a patch test before applying any homemade remedy to your face. For persistent or severe acne, it's best to seek guidance from a qualified skincare professional.